The Israel-Iran conflict just escalated. Senior commanders are dead, and the fighting isn't slowing down. Israel has claimed responsibility for killing several top Iranian military officials in targeted airstrikes, including Ali Shadmani, Iran's wartime chief of staff, and Bainam Shahriyari, a senior Quds Force commander. Another strike in Qom killed Saeed Izzati, who led the Palestine Corps of the Quds Force, an official Israel says played a key role in arming Hamas before the Gaza war. These assassinations are part of Operation Rising Lion, Israel's ongoing campaign targeting Iran's military leadership. Analysts say these strikes have dealt a significant blow to Iran's command structure. But the violence isn't one-sided. Since Israel's initial attack on June 13, Iran and Israel have exchanged airstrikes almost daily. The toll is mounting. Iran reports over 220 civilian deaths, including children, and more than 1,000 injured. Israel reports at least 24 dead and nearly 600 injured from Iranian retaliation. With neither side backing down, the conflict shows no sign of ending soon.